India's upcoming XRSAM next-generation long-range air defense system will start developmental trials in 2021. The XRSAM will utilize the same network grid deployed for the anti-ballistic defense system, and it will have a 400 km range missile for targets like AWACS and mid-air refuelers, and 250 km range missile for fighter jet-sized targets, similar to the Russian S400 system that India is set to receive in 2021. The Indian Air Force has accepted the configuration offered by the DRDO, as it will also counter enemy stealth fighter jets, combat drones, sea-skimming anti-ship and cruise missiles, as well as ballistic missiles in the terminal stage. Responding to a question on emergency defense purchases made by Indian Armed Forces, the Israeli Ambassador Ron Malka has said that Israel will provide anything that India needs to defend itself, and Israel is always available for its special friend India. Israel has already provided the Spice 2000 systems to the Indian Air Force, while the Indian Army is expected to receive 16,479 Negev NG7 7.62mm light machine guns from January 2021, and Israel is also undertaking the upgrade work of a part of the fleet of Heron UAVs with a satellite communication package, and the capability to carry air-to-ground missiles. With the rising concerns on US sanctions on India for the purchase of S400 systems, the Assistant Secretary of State for Political Military Affairs Clark Cooper has clarified that there is no blanket waiver for any country under CAATSA for buying Russian or Chinese defense equipment, but the CAATSA sanctions are not designed to be punitive to a partner like India that has got a sustainment issue, or an operation or maintenance issue. The project director of the ATAGS program has said that the 48 km range ATAGS Howitzer is the best in the world, and the indigenous howitzer can meet the Army's full requirement of 1800 systems, and there was no need for imports in this field. This statement comes days after the Israeli firm Elbit System had offered its ATAGS Howitzer at a 50% cheaper price than the indigenous ATAGS Howitzer, as well as higher indigenization level of 70% under the Make in India initiative. With an aim to achieve a defense export of $5 billion by 2025, Indian defense officials held a virtual meeting with their Maldivian counterparts, and has offered cost-effective quality products to meet the requirements of Maldives. The Maldives National Defense Force made a detailed presentation on their requirements, and 11 major Indian defense companies highlighted their capabilities, product offerings and solutions. A retired Lieutenant General of the Indian Army has expressed concern over the integrity of the recently leased Sea Guardian drones from the US, saying that the US adversaries have developed hacking abilities to penetrate into these sophisticated defense systems. The US-based think tank the Atlantic Council has also warned US partners to ramp up their military software abilities, as it might be tested by adversaries due to the usage of American platforms against them. Even after the Indian Navy has openly asked the government to keep Hindustan Aeronautics out of the 111 naval utility helicopter competition, Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the qualification and certification of the tail boom scheme of the Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter Mk-III prototype is expected to be completed by February 2021, and currently some modified components are being integrated onto the prototype, and it fully meets the Navy's specification.